Hello everyone. Based on my previous classes indicators, I have prepared test yourself questions. So in this test yourself questions, I have given some of the questions. So in this class, I'll show all the questions to you. In the next video, I will solve the answers. So first of all, I'll read the questions. Then you may understand if any miscommunication is there, you may understand from my vocabulary. So acid, base, indicator. Match this with this column B. This is bitter in taste, turmeric, sour in taste. So if you know the answer, please comment on below in this video. Then I will understand those who are sincerely listening my classes and all. So which of the following is a natural indicator? Litmus, China rose petals, turmeric, all of the above. So if you want to know the concept of these questions and all, please watch my previous video. If you like that, please give a like and share. So third question, which of the following is a synthetic indicator? Litmus, China rose petals, phenolphthalein, all of the above. So these are the three questions. So first try to understand the questions and try to answer the following. I'm just keeping this slide for 10 seconds. Then you will have an idea how to answer this. So now let us see the remaining questions. Two more questions are there regarding that, which will be like a revision for the entire concept of indicators, because nowadays in competitive exams surely they are giving the match the following. According to that, I myself prepared all these questions. So red litmus plus acid solution, red litmus plus acid solution, blue litmus plus acid solution, and then red litmus plus base solution. Red color, no change in color, blue color. Last and final questions related to indicators, that is China rose petals and acid solution, China rose petals and a base, turmeric and acid, turmeric plus base. What happened? How it changes? So I have given column B, green color, dark pink color, red color, no change in color. So column A I have given as these questions, column B answers are there, match the following. So if you want to know the answers of these questions and all, I will explain in the next video. So try to see the questions properly. This one also I'll show for 10 seconds, and then after that I'll wind off this video. So if you know the answers, please comment below, then I will understand those who are following, those who are writing correct answers. So you have chance to understand where you find your mistakes and all. So thank you.